experimenting. So. Oh, okay, let it because it's still. You slow it down a bit more?
Yeah, just let
okay, I can see that.
hair more.
The thing is, we have to really wait for it to come in full to full solid body rotation before we can expect it to work.
Yeah, so. That's true. Okay. You want to speed it up?
At this point, we'll have to once again wait for it. But I think we saw enough of the dye going around that I was pretty convinced that. But then the question that you have to answer is why is it not as nice as what the MIT site comes up with?
Because they can be precise.
They were very precise, presumably,
yeah.
or they wait for the solid body rotation to come for half an hour.
Yeah.
They might have waited a lot more time because they're very tedious.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And maybe we can try to get a mirror or something put there to look at a mirror to visualize the side profile. But
yeah, that's a good idea.
All right. Well, if you guys are convinced.
Oh, you know what would have been smart? To set the camera there, right here.
Yeah, that's what I was also thinking. Set a camera.
Yeah.
Except
I'd put it
the
here.
focus well on that.
If
You can try it.
put some white board on the opposite side.
This is cool.
Well, these guys are claiming victory. I'm not sure if.
Not sure if you
Is it time
agree.
to speed it
No,
up?
I saw enough of the dye moving around that you could see columns were nicely marching around.
Okay.
That is the coolest thing I think out of
Speed it up.
I want to speed. You got to speed it up some.
What?
We're gonna speed it up.
It's completely yours. I think the main experiment is done, so I'm going to quickly go to my office to get something, then we can come back. Or you just come and grab me?
I can't grab you.
Do you guys need me for anything else here?
For the cleanup procedure, what exactly?
Cleanup?
What
all right,
do you want?
just put all the stuff back on, and
where do you want this?
the
whole cart itself. Do you want it to remain there?
The cart I will take somewhere.
Okay. So just like empty the tank.
Empty the
and
tank.
then do you want to
put everything
save
back.
that paper, wet paper?
No.
Toss
That's
it?
unfortunately that's gone.
Okay.
And so that's going to be the thing that the next group has to make sure there's enough of this. I mean, there's enough in the next group, but maybe the following group they don't have enough. So either hold it closer or
The stationary hockey puck makes it even more obvious
Or you
than
can
like
suggest the glitter
when it
actually
was
says
just
glitter.
the
That's why you put it in the forum.
Yeah.
If you want to be helpful to your fellow
But I
prospect.
don't know, do I want to be helpful? Or do I want to keep that idea to myself?
when it was just the dye in there, and then we made it faster and we got the hurricane.
Yeah.
You know, but I think having the hockey puck in there makes it like easier to see. Oh, this fluid is actually moving against its environment.
Yeah. Watch.
And like not so much now that the dye is mixed.
Well, it all depends on what you can do is do an exchange. It's somebody else has done an experiment that
Not yet.
requires presumably.
Let this
So do you have any ideas of yours? I'll
Go
give you a
stop that for a
Exactly.
second.
You can actually.
Or you want to
post
know
that
if you want to see the
yeah.
hurricane.
I suppose that's
Yeah, and how it interacts with the hockey puck.
Well, you have to slow it down.
You know?
Yeah.
It just then makes
To get it.
makes life easier.
Yeah.
It may be boring if everything works out fine the first time round, but.
Well, thanks for helping us, Arthur.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem at all. Look at how nicely the lines are forming, right? This,
Yeah, I
that's
know.
what-
Oh,
It's
yeah,
getting stretched.
yeah.
The fluid's getting stretched to all the lateral shear. That's one. Now, of course, you have to wait for it to come in solid body rotation, which
Yeah.
it didn't. So there was considerable amount of.
Even the puck is not stationary anymore.
Yeah, the puck moved too because.
Like the puck seems to move on the image, or is it just a shadow?
I think it's just a shadow.
Yeah, it's just shadow going around it.
Oh, the dye, actually, which is collected.
So whose camera is that?
That camera is from the library, and I have another camera here. So,
Okay.
what I will need to do is to get the images out of it, and I'll probably, I don't know how large the image is, I'll email it to you.
There's some video.
There's video.
We could make
I'll
it
get
I have a
large, yeah.
flash drive.
You have a flash drive?
Yeah.
The catch is it needs a connector, which is I think in my office.
And you guys will send this to me, Carly, too, right? Everything?
No.
Okay, because I will find it.
Yeah.
When is your next class? Monday or? So I might either give it to Marcus. He can bring it with him, or I'll just.